Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video we will discuss about the help desk module. Basically what we do in this video. So for example, if you want to add any extra field on a website form, okay, basically I'm taking a help desk module. Okay, in that module I will add the some field on the front end, so that these fields would be the drop down. Okay, like this field, that field data should be come from the relational field. Okay, relational object. Or also we will add a buttons to like reopen the ticket whenever users customer submit the ticket, and that detail should be updated automatically. And also we will know how to make a read only field on the portal side in the form, website form. Okay, basically, so first this is the fresh database. Now we are going to application. Let's first we install the application. So let's installing help desk module. Okay, this is the default module help desk. So like a help desk module is using for the raise a ticket. Okay, so whenever any customer, any user, any employee, any query, so they have to create a ticket from the portal side. Okay, no one, everyone is not an internal user. Okay, so most of the employees, they will be the portal type of user. So what they are doing, so now we need to install one more module, sub website. So whenever create a portal type of user, so that user will create the ticket from the front end side, not only the back end side. Okay, now I'm going to install website module. So let's one more time clear. So we will add a relational types of field in a ticket form, also the extra character type field, adding the, and we will set the default values in the field. How will we set? Okay, and also one more thing, how to make the read only field on the portal side. Okay, so once we will add the fields on the ticket form, so that field value need to capture in the backend side. Okay, so little bit JS part and the little bit is the Python. So already I write the already everything code. Okay, only I will explain to you what code will be used for the which purpose. Okay, so let's explain to you one by one. Okay, now we are installed the help desk module, and second is the website module. Now I'm going to start. Okay, so basically I'm creating a website. What will they here? The form. Okay, about us, and help desk appointment. So this menu should be there. Now build our website. So once I click on the build our website, this is the first time configuration, but today is the center to how customization on the portal side. Okay, if you need a consultation or videos on the help desk module, I will create on that. Or if you want to another module of the uh, for the consultation, I will also create. I'm a software engineer. Basically my position is right now is a team lead. So let's wait for a minute. Is activating a last feature. Let's, okay, you can make a speed up for the this process. Okay, once it's completed, then you can continue in a normal speed. Okay, first I will show you the default form, how we'll see. Okay, or when I submit the ticket, how will reflect in the backend side and what value should be there. Okay, see, this is our website. Okay, so here you can see the menu help. Okay, so now click on one more, make a duplicate. Okay, So in that I'm going to the help desk. Okay, so basically let's see here the one team is created, customer care. Okay, so here, so once I click on the help menu, so that form will be open. Okay, so like I'm login with the administrator user, so that's why my name is coming. If anything detail is there, then details should be come automatically. So this is the default functionality. Now what will we do? So like I will add one more column here, the employee. Okay, employee name with the code. Okay, after that the like a category, subcategory. Okay, subcategory will be showing here based on the main category. Okay, so like a parent and child concept here. Okay, after that the I will rename this label. How will rename the label? Here the field, like it ask your question, I will rename this label to description. Also, if when I click on the submit button, so here the some field is required. So I will add, I will also make a required field with the attachment. Okay, so whenever submit the ticket, attachment should be required. So let's see how we will do. So maybe video little bit large, but my motive is you will understand the customization. Let's start the customization. Okay, so this is the default feature. Let me show you the once more ticket. So here is a no ticket. Okay, so let's me raise from the front end side. So let's my phone number, I'm writing a dummy number, this is not my number. Okay, now email address adminexample.com, company abc, and subject mm, repair my phone, or laptop, repair my pc, you can write here. Okay, after that the question, please do it soon, please do it before before of 10th November. Okay, then click on the submit. Once I click on the submit, my ticket number is a 401. So this is my ticket. Okay, once I click on the ticket, so that ticket will be opening here. So also I will add here the one more button. Okay, so like a reopen. Once for example your ticket is sold, so once ticket is sold, so you have to, maybe customer will say reopen the ticket. Okay, and further the query, like your query, for example you something delivered to the customer. Okay, and some item is not uh, completely to deliver the customer uh, raise a ticket saying the item is not um, delivered properly. So you have to reopen the ticket. Okay, so customer also can reopen the ticket and you also can do it. Okay, so once I click on the ticket menu, so here you can see all the numbers of the ticket raised. Okay, here also one more button I will add here also in this form. Okay, so every when I click any buttons or any link, so every form will be the different. Okay, so this is the template. So basically this is the template. Once I click on here, so this is the template, this is the different template, and this is the different template. Once I click on the help desk menu, and this is the form template, this is the and different template. Okay, so which ticket I raise right now. So let me show in the from backend side. So backend side will see this ticket. Okay, okay, got it. So this ticket will be so now. So basically what we I do, so I will create a master data for the subcategory and subcategory. Okay, now and I will add also field here. Okay, so let's me going to in the backend side, this is the Odoo 19 version. I'm doing the work on the Odoo 19 version. So basically create a one module help desk. So some field I'm creating the controller and the data uh, folder and the models and the security and the static in the JS file, and now the views file. So I will explain one by one. Okay, so let's me install the first module, so that time you will be clear what feature will be useful to this. Okay, so let's install the module. Now click on the duplicates. Now go to the applications. Once I go to application, activate the developer mode. Once I activated the developer mode, then here the some feature will you enable. If you developer, you will know. Click on the update. My custom module will be list down here. Okay, and then find out help desk custom. Okay, custom. Let's find out my module. Where is my module? Okay, still not coming. Help desk custom. Okay, I think path is missing in the configuration file. Custom add-ons path. Let me copy. Okay, put it here and restart the again. Once I restart, then refresh the page and click on again update application list. Okay, once I click on the update application list, help desk custom. So my model is coming here. Then click on the activate. Okay, some error is coming here. So system is saying okay, cannot update the missing record. Okay, I got it. I'll explain to you why is coming here. So basically this I worked on this module, so that's why I know. So here I'm going to here the help desk module. So once I click on the help desk team, okay, basically currently right now is a one team. Okay, if I'm going to in the where if here the 10 team is created in the system. Okay, so if 10 team is created in the system, so what we here system will create dynamically template. Okay, system will generate the dynamically template to show here. So this template is a only one template, but once you install the module and you will create the team, so template will be created dynamically, and the dynamically id will be like this: team form 9, team form 1, team form 2. How many team is created, uh, this is the static and this is the team id. Okay, so help desk team wise template will be created. Okay, now I'm going to here, click on copy. So how will solve? Go to the duplicate. Once I click on duplicate, activate the developer mode, then help desk, go to the settings. After that here, then here find out the views. Okay, here the views. Once I click on the views and filter out the view architectures. Okay, so here is the team wise the form view is the team 1. Okay, this is the template. Okay, this template I will override. I want to basically I override this template with this id. Okay, before override this id we have to no update true. Where are we have to go? We have to go here the external identifier. Once I go to the external identifier, here is the one checkbox is the no update. Okay, it means once you create the template, there is a data equals to no update. No update if you tick true, so template only once time only created in the system. Okay, if you untick, so whenever you upgrade the module, template will be created again and again. Okay, now go to the module. So here go to the views folder, here the templates. So I uh, everything is right here the related of the templates. Okay, so this template id, okay, if you want, if I show you the default template, okay, let's show you the default template. So this is the see this is the default template id, this one. Okay, this is the default template id. If you check here the enterprise website help desk and view here the help desk template, this is the base module. Okay, if you search this id in the python, okay, in the python, so whenever you create a new team, so this function will be called automatically, and here is the come the base template. If you create the five help desk team, then the five template will be created dynamically. Okay, so then this is the external id will be create for the team wise. Okay, so I hope this is a you understand how will override, how will inherit the existing template. Basically I override the existing template because I mm, mm, edits too much things in the template. That's why I'm in override. Okay, if only I want to add only one field, then I will inherit. Okay, so now we are updated. Okay, so now is start and again install the module. Okay, go to the applications, click on close, then click on the activate. Okay, let's wait to install the modules. Okay, my module is installed successfully. Okay, let's show you how many features is coming in the help desk module. Okay, what were the customization. Okay, now so this is the help desk module. Now refresh, this is the help desk module, click on the help desk. So if I'm going to here the, so here you can see the category, then subcategory. Okay, so and also the cleaned region. So once this is the custom, like if I'm creating a like um, category, main category or subcategory should be like a hardware, hardware, this is the main category. This category will be so in the customer, also give the company drop down here. Okay, one category I created. Okay, also now regarding the software, so second is the software category I created. So this is the main category. Okay, main category created in the team. If you have a multiple team, then you can choose here according to the which team, which category should be show in the portal side. Okay, after that going to the subcategory. So now create a subcategory hardware like a ram. So this category subcategory come in the hardware in the company this. Okay, second here is the like a camera should become in the hardware. Okay, third, let's I want to create a Instagram software update version. Okay, this will become here in the this category. Let's see. Okay, save. I created the two categories, m- m- main category and the subcategory. After that the going to the tickets. Okay, this ticket created in the form the portal side. Okay, so here you can see the employee. So employee will become automatically from the customer. So if I'm going to the user, so like if I'm going to the contact. Okay, let's one more module need to install the contact. Okay, here I'm install the contact module. So here the contact module, if I'm going to the customer. So here write admin eh, gmail, basically gmail gmail.com. Basically I'm right here the admin, nothing else. Okay, let's save. Activate the developer mode. Okay, once I activated the developer mode, okay, this, okay, after that now I'm going to the employee. So here is the admin employee. Go to the setting. Once I going to the setting, here we need to link the employee to the users. Okay, here the use this employee is linked with this user. Also here there is the base ID, basically the code, employee code. Basically you can as a use for the employee code. Once I click on the generate, admin code automatically will be generated. So here you can see first come the employee code, after that the employee name. Okay, now going to the help desk module. Okay, here you can see all the tickets. Once ticket is open, so here you can see employee, after that the category, then subcategory. Okay, after that the assigned to, this ticket will be assigned, and what description you write in the ticket time raise, that will be message coming here. Okay, now click on the save. So for example your query will be in progress, then click on the in progress. Or maybe same equipment is not there in the warehouse, so you can uh, put the ticket is on hold, then it will be going to the hold. Okay, once the ticket is sold, so here you can see the reopen button. This button also showing on the portal side. Okay, once I click on the reopen button, so system is saying reopen state is not there. So first we have to create the stage here. Let's reopen. Okay, now this will be showing here. Okay, now going to the old ticket. Open the ticket. Now click on the reopen button. Once I click on the reopen button, my lead, oh sorry, my ticket reopen again. So here you can see stage is change, reopen. Okay, for example ticket is reopen, after that is sold. Okay, again customer again he want to reopen the ticket. Once click on the reopen, so then second time mail will trigger to the customer users, who is the responsible of the ticket, who is the manager of the ticket team. So that mail will be go to the manager. This manager you can define in the teams. So in the, if you go to the help desk teams and open the team, here is the manager. You can define the manager here. Okay, so this is the manager. Now go to the help desk, so manager automatically coming here. Okay, now going to the portal side. Now click on the help desk. Okay, now go to here, tickets. Now I want to raise the ticket. Okay, system, what I do here, so currently I'm allowing only to raise a ticket only portal type user. So now I'm going to remove this part for now. Okay, let me upgrade from the backend side. Okay, first in this video basically I explained to the what I customize here, and in the second video I will show you the code one by one. Okay, otherwise the video will be long. Okay, so I have created the module. So once I refresh the page, so here you can see first is the employee name is automatically coming because the user is link. Okay, after that here the phone number I'm not put it, I didn't put. Then after that the email address I put the admin. After that the company, then the employee company is automatically coming, who is the employee, like is basically the user. So user company is coming automatically. After that the category, see, if I click here the subcategory, nothing is showing. Once I click on the hardware, so in the subcategory will be showing which is come inside the hardware. Okay, if I select here the software, then here will be subcategory will be showing the related of the subcategory, according to the main category what you select in the this. Okay, after that the message. Okay, update version 26. Okay, description. After that you, once I click on here, so also this is the required. I created the required. So let's, I'm creating here and put it here. Then click on the submitted tickets. Okay, once I click on submitted ticket, is a second ticket I submitted. Okay, also you can see here the attachment here and description. Now for example, now I'm going to the backend side. So second ticket is also sold. Okay. Once ticket is sold, now I'm going to the portal side. So reopen button also you can see here also. After that reopen button also can see here. Once you click on the reopen button, so your ticket will be reopen. Okay, then you can communicate with the user, your team, who is the support team. After that you can get the solution properly. So basically in this video I show you the what I customize in this module. So this customization I will show you in the next video. How will you customize? Basically I added here the buttons, one button here and also the here, and one column is added here, and the actions. Once I going to help desk menu, so here you can see extra fields. Okay, once I going to the backend side, so you can see here the employee automatically coming, all the details is coming automatically, descriptions is coming automatically from the portal side. Okay, so thank you. In this video, basically in this video I explained to the what I customized. Okay, next video in the on in the whole help desk module I will show you the code. Okay, every file. Thank you.